Hello everyone, my name is Fatma and this is my CS50 final project, Recipehub. So Recipehub is a Flask web application that allows users to create, organize, search, favorite, rate, and download their recipes in the form of a recipe card. So this is the web page, so this is my main page. So I'm gonna log out right now to show you that you can register or log in. I'm gonna log in right now using my demo account to show you all the features. So you're going to log in by entering your username and password, and then I'm going to go to my recipes to show you all the recipes that I've created on this account so far. So you have a chocolate milkshake and a classic chocolate brownie. So each recipe is actually a card that shows some kind of animation when you hover over it, and then each card has a view, edit, heart, which is a favorite button, and delete. So now I'm going to view this recipe. So I can heart it or favorite it, I can share it, I can download it, and I can rate it. So let's give it 4 stars for now. So here is a short description, ingredients and instructions, and here is the metadata of each recipe. So now I can increase the number of servings if I want, and then the ingredient amount will change accordingly. So let's now download it, and you can see that we have downloaded a recipe card PDF into our computer. So you can see this is a premium recipe card, and now you can print it out and use it whenever you want. So now you're gonna go to add recipes. So you can add recipes to your account by filling in this form. So title, description, the metadata, and the ingredients and the instructions. And then you can also choose a file from your computer that you want to add, which is going to be a photo of that recipe. And then you're going to go to the favorites to see the recipes that you have favorited so far in this account. So you can view each favorited recipe, so you can not only favorite your recipes, but you can also favorite other people's recipes as well. So now I'm going to explore more and search for a recipe on this web application. So let's search pasta. Here it will show classic garlic butter pasta. And let's now search for a recipe that's not yet on it. So hot chocolate. So it says no match recipes found. And let's go back to the home page. So now on my recipes, you can also click delete. So let's click delete, and it's going to ask for confirmation, and then recipe is going to be gone. Then you can also edit your recipe by changing these information, and then let's go back to the home page by clicking on this logo button, and this was my web application. Thank you.